What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing some maintenance on the John Deere 2038 here. Been trying to do some research online, and I've been looking at new grease guns and options there. So what we came up with is a Milwaukee 2-speed set. Alright, so what we got is a Milwaukee 2646-21. This is the whole kit for the M18 batteries. So it looks like this comes with a 2-speed grease gun, one battery, one charger, and actually includes a case. So I'll unbox that for you here in a minute. And then also I picked up a lock and lube. I've seen a lot of responses about this online. Looks like it makes greasing easy, where it won't pop off, won't make a mess. So we're going to give that a shot and let you guys know. All right, let's see what we got. Pretty nice case with a nice handle. So we got a battery. It's only a 1.5, but it should be plenty for a grease gun until we get other Milwaukee tools. I have a bunch of DeWalt right now, but I do like DeWalt for some stuff, and I do like Milwaukee for some stuff. Alright, there it is, guys. Got a place to hold the hose when it's not in use. Feels fairly stout. It's got a light on it. Got the charger. It's like a carrying strap. Little pocket for the paperwork. Looks like a pretty decent grease gun. Nice case. We'll put it to use and let you know how it works. Alright, so we'll pop this stock end piece off. This is a 9/16 on this end. Take that off. Put the lock and lube piece on. Alright, so I got the grease gun loaded up. I used a tube of Lucas Red and Tacky. Seems to be pretty good stuff. I like that. So we got it loaded up. It took me a little bit to get it to prime, but as you can see, we got grease now. So we are ready to get to work. What I like to do, I like to take a little bit of brake cleaner. I'll just spray the rag down a little bit, and then I'll wipe each Zerk fitting before I grease it. All right guys, now that was a pretty quick and easy maintenance grease job to begin with, but that lock and lube with Milwaukee grease gun did make it a little quicker, less messy. I do like it, and I would definitely buy it again. It was about $2.99 for the kit that I bought, so it's a little on the pricier side, but the nice thing is you can use the M18 batteries in any Milwaukee cordless tool. It accepts any grease cartridge, obviously, of the 14-ounce canister, so that's nice. But again, guys, thanks for watching. We really appreciate the views that we've gotten, and we look forward to continuing to put content out. Please like and subscribe. Have a good one.